A couple weeks ago now, Google announced and released these, the Google Pixel Buds A series. Now for those of you that are playing along at home, you may and may not know that for the past couple of years, Google's released a Pixel phone in the A series, the 3A, 3A XL, and 4A, and presumably a 5A coming in a couple weeks. Stay tuned for that, I'm going to grab one. But the A series is usually Google's cheaper option, kind of like a budget to mid-tier range. So when they dropped the Pixel Buds A series that looked damn near identical to the standard Pixel Buds, I got a little curious, and we got them in my Walmart last week, so I grabbed a pair, and I've been using them, and I have some thoughts. Let's see what they are. So first of all, why don't we go over what's different between the two. First of all, you don't get many color options. You get the white that I have here, and then like a matcha green color. I don't think I'd wear the green ones. Whereas with the full Pixel Buds, you get the white, a minty green instead of matcha, like a coral, like this kind of color, and black. So there's your first difference. These also don't come with wind reduction. I'm just reading from the spec sheet here. There's no wind reduction, and the earbuds are sweat and water resistant. The case is not. Don't drop them. The only way to charge these is through the USB-C port. They axe the wireless charging case to keep costs down. As far as touch controls go, everything's there that you would expect in your standard wireless earbuds, except they axed the swipe for volume control on these ones. So it's just your double tap, triple tap, single tap, and tap to hold. Battery life in the earbuds and case is identical, so 5 hours per bud and 24 hours extra with the case. The drivers are the same, they're 12mm drivers, although it doesn't give you attention alerts, which I don't even know what those are. So they're probably not that important. And then the most important part is the price. These are $99 US compared to the $179, I believe, for the standard Pixel Buds. So these are half price. So the unboxing experience really isn't anything to marvel at. You get the headphones on top, and then underneath that you get more cardboard. And then underneath that cardboard you get a USB-C to USB-A cable to charge them. And then you get a little packet with all your info and your spare ear tips. So what are they actually like? Well, they kind of look identical to the standard Pixel Buds. They feel nice in the ear. I don't know if this is just my ear or if I'm weird or whatever, but the right side felt perfectly fine for the most part. It's just the wingtip on the left ear pissed me off to no end. I couldn't find a good spot to get it in and keep it from wiggling around and like irritating me. Maybe it's just me, I don't know. I wore these for about 2 hours at work and I got so pissed off I took them out and put in my AirPods. It's just interesting because this side, the right side, didn't give me any issues, and I put them in pretty much the same way, so maybe my ears are just different. Now there's no active noise cancellation, but there is passive noise cancellation. That's because they're more of an in-ear design with these rubber tips. They kind of help seal off your ear canal, and it does work pretty damn good. Again, it's not ANC, but it is NC, PNC, passive noise whatever. The sound quality on these things is surprisingly good for $100. Like, they've got a lot more bass than I thought they would have, and that's without bass booster turned on. Then you turn bass booster on and like you can feel air moving inside your ear. They're pretty damn good. Case itself is they are a little bigger or taller than AirPods. Not by a whole lot, but it is definitely there, and they are slightly fatter than AirPods, so that's something to consider if AirPods don't exactly fit in your change pocket on your jeans. But vocals are clear on these, bass sounds deep, trebles, mids, everything sounds very isolated. It's not like a spatial audio kind of thing, but I can definitely pick out different instruments in some of the songs I used to test that's very cluttered in like the mid frequencies, where there's a lot going on, and I can pick out a couple more instruments with these than I can with, say, standard AirPods. And that says a lot because these are kind of priced to undercut Apple's AirPods. These are, again, $99 compared to anywhere from $110 to $160 to $180 depending on who and where you buy your AirPods from. These offer a pretty decent value for your money. I don't think I'm going to keep using them. I mean, they are nice, but the fact that the wingtip just irritates the hell out of me is kind of a big turnoff for me. They are nice. They are really nice, actually. They sound really good. Not quite AirPods Pro, but they are definitely getting close for almost a third of the price. It really comes down to the ear thing. And I know it's probably just me, just like a personal thing, but I can't be constantly fiddling with my earbuds at work. I'm not even supposed to be wearing earbuds at work, but don't tell anyone. But just like the set it and forget it that I have with AirPods or AirPods Pro, this doesn't quite match that, and that's kind of a big thing for me, where I honestly kind of forget that I have headphones in. Never quite got to that with this. So again, very well could just be me. Probably is just me, but it's definitely something to consider if you have weird ears. So these aren't going to replace my AirPods or AirPods Pro, but if you are looking for decent headphones, even good headphones for $100 and under, these should definitely be on your radar. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, leave a comment. What headphones or earbuds do you use? Do you use AirPods, Pixel Buds? Let me know down below. I'll see you guys probably later this week for another video. Catch you guys then.